And welcome to another update video about MATIC, Polygon MATIC. It is probably the best and the strongest chart of all the coins that I cover. It is the chart that adhered best to my calculations, to the Elliott Wave count, to the scenario. Various reversal areas were reached. This one was a long-term one. You can see how it reversed perfectly at the 88.7% fib level. Here again, the absolute evidence that technical analysis works because, it basically reversed directly at the 88.7% fib level. Why else would such a level be relevant if not by TA, and the technical aspects? But probably someone will find the piece of news that caused MATIC to turn around directly here. But it turned out it moved up. We built here this 1-2-1-2 setup, moved then up in a wave 3. This was even more bullish than I anticipated back then. We then came down in a wave 4, perfectly reversed here in the reversal area, moved up in a wave 5. Here another reversal area reached, came down, here another reversal area, moved then up. Here I told you about profit taking. I didn't actually put a reversal area on the chart, but we talked about profit taking up here. We then rushed down. This was another opportunity to buy in, these reversal areas again, reached it, and we're now moving high. And I'm telling you now that we might enter another reversal area that I've put on the chart earlier today. I communicated that in the short-term updates to the channel members on Telegram because I can't always do a video. So if you're after more short-term updates generally, then take a look at the channel membership. Gold specifically, where you get the signals as well, the short-term market updates. But what specifically did I say? Well, I said that from here, obviously yesterday we talked about the 84.5 cent level, that a move above that level would be a really good indication that we are in a breakout scenario here, that we are breaking out, finally moving up in this fifth wave of the wave 1. Because if we zoom out again, just looking at the red wave count, which is the higher level one, you can see that Polygon created a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and we're still waiting for the fifth wave. Target for that, I mentioned that yesterday in the video already, between 115 and 140 in my opinion. So we are now, we came down. I told you there is certainly the chance that we move down once more lower. The count actually suggested that. Why? Because that low here that we made in a fifth wave in green was not very convincing. Normally you would expect a bit of a stronger one, but it was a bit lower than the wave 3. So an absolute valid wave 5. And as always, when they reach their reversal areas, then it is a good indication that we can go up at any moment in time. So that reversal area worked out. We moved up in a 1 then, came down in a 2. That's sort of the lower level wave count now within the wave 5 in red. This, in my opinion, was a wave 3. And again, I mentioned that in the Telegram message as well, or in the Discord as well. So we've got this Telegram and Discord for signals. But I mentioned that this structure is a bit messy. So I'm not entirely convinced it's a wave 3. I just always want to mention that so that you can judge the sort of risk as well. It's a bit of a messy structure here, but overall 1, 2, 3. The thing is, it hit perfectly the targets for a wave 3. Therefore, I consider it as a wave 3. Here between the 1.618 extension and the 200% extension, between 89 cents and 92 cents. Reversing here, and then expectation would now be that we're getting into this wave 4 area, located between the 23.6% fib level and the 50% fib level of the wave 3. You can see that here, that's the retracement of the wave 3, which would then become the wave 4. And this area is between basically 83.7 cents and 87.7, between the 23.6% fib level and the 50%. So if we reach 23.6% fib level, that is the minimum retracement it needs to do. So basically all it needs to do from now to complete this wave, or to complete the requirements of the wave 4 correction, is to drop another another percent, which is easily possible. So here, but the ideal retracement for a wave 4 is the 38.2% fib level. That would be 85.5 cents. So when we reach one of these areas here, anywhere here, we can expect a move back to the upside in a wave 5. Now we can also calculate, just give roughly a target for that fifth wave. A fifth wave generally only, all it needs to do really is to break above the wave 3 high, but ideally would be a textbook target would be the 2.618 extension. Now here you can already see we are still far away from that 115 level, but bear in mind this could just be the first wave, all of this, the 5-wave move could just be the first wave of the fifth wave here. Yeah. So in that you will get, because the wave 5 itself is a 5-wave move, that we'll get here a wave 1 coming down in a 2 once more. So it can take a while to play out, to be honest. Then move up in a 3, come down in a 4, move up in a 5. Possibly even in the upper range of this green area here. So that's interesting. And again, Polygon, one of the best charts here. Also one of the charts where a lot of the reversal areas worked out, a lot of the target areas, which is great because it just means that it just means when you're riding the correct wave count, it just highlights that probably also the next waves that we're calculating or the next scenarios will work, or at least will work to a good degree. Okay, we'll see. So this is my view currently of the Polygon chart. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.